Good morning, guys. My hair maintenance is due. Like, look at it. It is so weird and disorganized. But anyway, I'm going to do my hair. This is a maintenance day. Okay, it is a Monday actually. I didn't go to work because if I don't do it today, I will not have time to do it. So I'm going to do my hair, and I was expecting to do my nails today, but I may not be in position to do it. So if I don't manage to do it today, of course I'll do it later. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm thinking of sew-in, weave, or braid. So we shall decide from there. I'm having some cough. That's why I'm speaking like this. But yeah, we shall be okay. See you.
It is very important to maintain your appearance as a woman as you continue to get older and to have a family. It's not to keep up with the rest of the world. It's not for the rest of the world to see you looking young forever. No. It's for you. Take care of yourself. The way you take care of your kids, the way you take care of your husband, the way you take care of your career. Life starts to make you feel like you have to put yourself last. And I think that maintaining your appearance is not for the rest of the world. It's very much for yourself and putting yourself first. It's a way to continuously put yourself first, even though the world and society is pulling you left and right to go last.
In my mind, I am looking for the melody, searching for the reading we go totally.
Hey loves, I don't know whether you're seeing me well, but I'm going to work. I'm kind of sick. I'm wearing a dress. This is how it looks like. It has a slit here, and yeah, it looks like that. So I'm going to work. I'm kind of late because I've not been feeling well. I think you can hear how I'm speaking, but I wanted to show you my hair. This is my hair. This is how it turned out. This is my real hair. So this is how we are looking like. Unfortunately, I can't show you the full outfit. I think I missed filming in my sitting room because you guys told me why I've not been filming from here, and yet it has nice light. Anyways, I have cough, so I'm taking this. This is going to be my water bottle today, and it has ice inside plus ginger. Okay, so I'm going to finish up my look with this. Yeah, I'm going to wear shades because it is very hot. Yeah, this is how we are going. So today I have some orders. I have clothes to make, and unfortunately never found like a better position to film or better ways of filming when I'm there. But when I get so, of course I'll be taking you through my day in my life later, not now. So let me go to work because I have some people who are waiting. Actually, I had forgotten. These are my nails. Yesterday it was just a maintenance day, so I did my nails. I think you can see them. Let me see. The light is too much. These are my nails. Look at them. These are my nails. I think I love them. I like them. Today I did something a little bit shorter, and these are actually my natural nails. I didn't put artificial easy designs, but look at this. My nail take just 8. Like, look at that. I'm sure you love them. So anyway, let me go to work. See you when you see me.
Your pennies.
Unfortunately, I lost my voice and I couldn't speak in this OOTD, but it was fair. This is a dress that I wore the next day and everyone was just complimenting me. You guys, people just paid me just for wearing a dress, like this dress specifically. That watch is from Rush Accessories, Phones and Accessories. They ship things from Dubai and they reach in within 7 working days, so you can get them on TikTok at Rush Accessories. Anyways, that dress is from Premium Glam. I made this dress like years ago, I think like 3 years ago, and right now I'm just starting to love it. Guys, that is my OOTD for today, and yeah, we're going to work, of course, and we have so many things to do, like really so many things to do. I'm just here to appreciate my skin, and this hair is just eating. So that is a bag that I'm carrying. That was a gift from my friend Gigi, and just for my last birthday. And then I'm also going to wear these open shoes because yeah, we're just doing green and black. And look at me, like look at that, like it looks so cute. I think this is my first time feeling like such kind of hair. I've not been a fan, but trust me, this time I ate, like really ate. Anyways, let's go to work.
Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happened.
Every day I remind myself of how far I have come from. I look back and know it has never been so easy. My happiness matters to me more than anything.